Machiegni paw tuke kocha mag timbe adhula pachoka dhi nyime kod tiegruok kuo kuom duol mochung' ne tuke adhula kutenore kod CAF kaka yo mar bero kendo tego lony magin-go. Tiegruok mobagi mbalany ma uzima oywayo kocha mawuok e kor gwenge ma geto mare en konyo gi yango makare jotugo kod miyo gi tiegruok mowinjore kotenore kod chal mar ngimagi kaachiel kod miyo gi lony e yango adhula makare. Tiegruok bende geto bero rang'iny mar tuke adhula e pachoka.
We are trying to teach them every aspect of medical physiology and changes that physiological aspect undergoes during exercise, and the adaptation exercises they should do to make sure that they can perform effectively wherever they are playing. So,
well, I'm here for my CAF license, following the pathway that has been laid down by CAF as far as coaching is concerned. I'm grateful to be here. We are getting a lot of new knowledge, and especially this particular week has been very, very insightful for me, because I believe that sports science is an area that we've neglected for far too long, but it's an integral part of football. That is where all the developed worlds or countries are at the moment. So,
for us to be